Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150. I'm talking about that generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys need to find where the airbag module fuse is located, also known as restraint system module fuse, guys, it could be also known as RCM fuse, all that will be covered today. Now, if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, do not remove that fuse, do not work on them, because airbags can kill you guys. And before even working on airbags, when you're qualified and certified, you have to disconnect the car battery at least 1 hour before removing a fuse or working on airbag system, so we can minimize the chance for something terrible to happen. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse it is, and we will explain, guys, also where you can buy cheap fuses from and why it's always important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. Specifically, we'll demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here, guys, in the garage. Now, if you have a different year but that generation, the video may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes. One fuse box is located under the hood on your F-150 in the engine bay right above the radiator fan. The other one, guys, is inside the vehicle. That's the one that we need for the airbag module fuse. It's in the passenger compartment under the glove box in the kick panel right here. You remove the cover, and once you open the fuse box, it will look just like that. Now, we zoomed it so we can show you everything with a great detail. Now, let's explain first why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we need to check, guys, we need to come right here. That's the first row. Second row, we go to third row right here. That's the third row right there, guys. Now the fuse that we'll need to check is known as fuse number 36, guys. So that will be starting from that relay. You're going to count fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4. That fuse right here, guys, that fuse is number 36. So that's the fuse that you will need to check for the airbag and restraint control module, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.